Hey guys, it's me Vaishak from Epic Tech. So today I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. So let's begin without any further ado. So here's my K20pro. So as you can see, this is it. So now what I'll do is I'll teach you guys how to enable it. So first let me unlock my phone. So yeah. So now the phone has been unlocked. So now what you have to do is just head out to Instagram. And I'll put my app lock right there. So see, as you can see, this is how our Instagram looks, right? I mean, yeah. So with like when you're using this in the night, it's a strain to our eyes. So Instagram has recently released this feature to beta testers of Instagram. So beta testers is currently full, so you won't be able to get this feature without this method. So what I'm going to do is first you have to have a phone which has dark mode in it. So first let me head out to display. So here is the dark mode option, so I'll just enable it. So now my phone has completely turned into black theme, which is dark mode. So this will save a lot of power and it's not a strain to your eyes. So what I'll do now is I'll just head out to Instagram. So as you can see, it has been turned into dark mode. So I'll just show you guys again. So this is the dark mode. Just turn it off and go back to Instagram and it's white. Now go back here, turn on the dark mode. Yeah, it's on dark mode. So all you need to have is a phone which supports dark mode. So for that, let's see what Instagram is going to do for other users. So that is it for today guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.